What up, everybody? Welcome back to the DigiKast. It's Rob and Sherry.
Unboxing.
Yep, another unboxing video. It's been a while. We got a new game.
Wyrmspan.
You know our favorite game is Wingspan.
Yes.
And we've got too many. I don't know.
We don't too many. We don't have too many. We never have too many board games.
Okay,
so this is Wyrmspan by Stonemaier Games. And we actually just heard about this earlier in the week. So before the game jumped up in price, we were like, let's
jump in there and get
it now.
Get in on the ground floor.
Before the price triples.
Mm-hmm. Right, and then becomes hard to find because it's like limited edition.
Right. And this is available.
Link in the description.
Yep.
I just picked it up off Amazon.
Okay, so again, good cover art. You know, it's clear that a lot of the cost in the game is in the design of the game. It's quite heavy.
This way.
It's quite heavy.
Shut everything in there.
It does. It does. And it's good quality cardboard. All right, so wow, we have 1, 2, and 3 manuals.
Yeah, it's got an automata.
Oh, it smells like a bookstore.
Or automata single player mode to it, just like regular Wingspan.
Oh yeah, don't color that. I said don't color that. It was like a coloring book.
We make a copy of it and you color it.
Yeah. Okay, it smells like a bookstore. I love that smell. Okay, so it looks like we have
egg trays, maybe.
Maybe card holders, maybe egg trays. I don't know.
Maybe.
All right, so we have this set of cards, which I'm assuming could be solo cards. Maybe not. We have quite a few.
Don't know.
Yeah,
There's a lot of cards in Wingspan, so there's a bunch of dragon cards. Makes sense.
Activate the ability on any dragon of your player mat. So that sounds like it might be similar to end of round goals. Who knows?
Possibly.
Okay, these are clearly the covers to those.
Yeah. Covered now. Nice.
Yeah. And they're not warped, so that's good.
Not yet.
These cards are so cool. They are awesome. And then scoring cards.
Oh, I hope there's a board game geek option for it.
Right? Okay, so here's some dragon eggs. And maybe markers. Peoples. Dragon eggs, and then here's your
Tokens. Markers.
Yeah, I guess.
Token markers, round markers.
Love this. Look at all these extra bags that they give us for storage. So I have to get the labeler.
Yeah. Always a good touch to have some extra bags.
Yay, pop out. Oops. And are these wings? Dragon eggs? What's that show? The Game of Thrones, the dragon something or other.
Dragonborn.
No, the Game of Thrones, the second one was about the mother and the dragon eggs or something.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. Place player mats.
No.
Place Dragon Guild tile here with correct player count face up.
They're different.
This is a whole different thing.
Round tracker.
These are player boards.
No, they're not. These are the player boards right here.
Ooh.
Ooh. Look at the color scheme. Evacuate. Excavate. Entice.
Explore.
Entice. Explore. Crimson, golden,
are these your game boards?
amethyst.
Everybody has one of these giant
there's 5. It's a
great.
2 to 5 player game.
Yeah, I mean pretty. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's gonna be big. All right. So you thought you needed a lot of space for Wingspan?
Heck yeah. We need to get the D&D table mat.
Yeah.
And more cutouts.
That's your food, I guess.
Wow. There's like a lot of stuff. Okay, this is super cool. I'm very excited to get started.
All right. I guess this has been the unboxing. Maybe put some beauty shots here, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is Wyrmspan. This is all the stuff you get from the makers of Wingspan. Stonemaier Games. This Wyrmspan as unboxed by the DigiKast. This is Robin Sherry.
Yeah, and look, we have our Geek Fuel.
Not sponsored.
We're ready to, not sponsored, but we could be. And you know, and some chocolate. So we could be sponsored.
Mm-hmm.
Look us up.
Yeah.
Sponsors. We love board games. Yeah.
Yeah, you could buy us a drink on Ko-fi. Yeah.
Yeah, energy drinks is where it's at for us. I like the vegan energy drinks. Or Monster. But anyways, so I don't know. Maybe we can convince 2 other lovely people to try to play this game with us. Possibly. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking. We appreciate it as always.
Yes, and you can look forward to a 1-minute video of a review very quickly of how that went.
That's kind of like not possible if you want me to be involved in it.
Okay, I'll do it then.
Okay, all right. Also, be on the lookout for a new podcast, blog, coming soon from me.
New
I'm very
project.
Yes, I'm very excited to get started on that, and that should be forthcoming within the next couple of weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So again, thank you and love the world.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Peace up in the grill.